Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This is a template preview, and I'm going to be showing you guys the template that I came up with for the mini goldfish. I purchased these at Walmart. I think it comes with like 8 or 10, something like that in the pack. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it pretty much will fit it perfectly. Look at that. Love it. Like, what? Love it. The measurements will be on my Patreon page. I will leave the link, the description for that. Lord have mercy, y'all. I will leave the link for that in the description box below. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. You guys, I'm trying to figure out what happened right there. Was that on my picture or something? See, now I'm going back and looking. I don't see it. It's not there either. I don't know what happened. Okay. I guess it's just a little hiccup in the when I printed it. Anywho. Yeah, this is super cute. Good for any and all events. Like I said, it's something that you can purchase in bulk, which is great. So, yeah, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.